Recently, Tesla created a sensation by demonstrating their second-generation Optimus robot. The progress Tesla has achieved in this field is highly impressive. If we go back just a year, in September last year, Tesla was showing us its first prototype of the Optimus robot. At that time, the robot looked like a skeleton, and it was just the beginning. It couldn't tilt its head, could do little with its hands, and couldn't walk properly. Essentially, by showing this prototype, Elon Musk wanted to demonstrate that they had entered the robotics industry and assembled a great team of engineers. Just a year later, they finally showcased their first-generation Optimus robot. Later, in September last year, Tesla released a video demonstrating the first-generation Optimus robot. This robot was a huge step forward compared to the prototype that Tesla had shown earlier. They equipped this robot with functional hands capable of various movements. It could stand on one leg and even practice yoga. It could sort colored blocks by itself. They gave it a human-like body, and it moved almost like a person. Just a couple of months later, Tesla introduced the second generation of the Optimus robot. It was fully assembled from the company's own components, and the difference between the first and second generations of Optimus robots is incredibly vast. But before diving into the details, let's just take a look at the official video released by the Tesla team. The Optimus robot can now look up and down with 2 degrees of freedom. It has hands that perform human-like movements. Watch how gracefully it handles an egg and how carefully it transfers it from one hand to the other. The first thing to note is the speed of progress, because a year ago they had nothing to show, and now they have a robot capable of handling an egg. Now, what sets the Tesla Optimus robot apart from all other robots is of course its brain. Optimus is not programmed, it learns everything on its own, just like us humans. This means that its system is flexible and adapts to handle various tasks and problems without specific instructions. The Tesla robot learns and performs tasks without any code or program telling it what to do. It is 100% based on machine learning. It studies material, observes, and then tries to improve itself by repeating these tasks over and over. Making a robot learn everything on its own might seem a bit unrealistic right now, but considering all the AI advancements happening today, it is quite possible. Currently, Optimus has one serious competitor in the robotics industry, Atlas, created by Boston Dynamics. And while their robots look impressive and all that, they lack one important element: self-learning. The Atlas robot can't do anything other than what it's programmed for, whereas the Optimus robot is built differently. It can learn something on its own. There is no manual programming. It can teach itself using videos. Theoretically, it could learn to perform virtually anything its body is capable of, including cooking, cleaning, driving a car, and so on. And this is precisely why Tesla designed it in a human shape. There is a video demonstration of an experiment with Optimus that might scare some people. In the video, the robot is stacking blocks in a basket, and one of the blue blocks fell on its side. The robot paused for 5 seconds, then adjusted its action and placed the blue block correctly, just like all the others. Elon Musk also responded to the video with Optimus and said that in a year, it will be able to thread a needle. The speed at which Tesla created the Optimus robot shocks the entire robotics industry. If they manage to make this robot commercially available, it could turn Tesla into a $1 trillion company. It is quite possible that in the near future, having a robot in the family will be the norm, just like it once became with cars. And if Tesla succeeds in creating millions of robots in the future, its market value will exceed trillions of dollars. Let's not forget that Elon Musk also owns the space company SpaceX, which will be trying to establish colonies on Mars. So who knows, maybe Elon Musk will send these robots into space to help humans build a new world there. Millions of such robots could be sent there to perform this task. So the possibilities are essentially limitless, hundreds of millions of working robots, or even billions. At this point, it would be foolish to consider the future of Tesla only as a car company. Elon Musk is making every effort to succeed in the robotics industry, and it seems he is moving in the right direction. What do you think about the new Tesla robot? I look forward to your comments and see you next time.